Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to look at looking for a customer and updating their details using Priority's AI companion. To activate the companion, we'll click on the stars at the top right hand corner, which will open up our companion, and we'll ask it to show us the customer details. Once it finds the customer details, we can see all the information and tell it to update certain fields. We can tell it to update the payment terms for this customer, and we can select which payment terms we'd like to use. Once it's been updated, it'll ask us to confirm. We'll approve it. And we can then open up the form in Priority to see the updated information. Thank you.